The bank's technology strategy is actually moving to the cloud. So the aim is moving all bank applications into the Google Cloud, which gives us much more flexibility, scalability, and also a much quicker time to market for new innovative products and also new services for our clients. We are also redeveloping all our front-end applications from scratch, being it internal applications, but also customer-facing. This has a huge complexity as we are not just talking about Deutsche Bank as a brand, but also all its sub-brands. Figma has been super instrumental for us, providing a white label approach in building this technical platform, serving all the different brands. The maturity of the different design teams is completely different depending on each business unit because they grew completely independently, everyone with his own history, focus and context. From a single designer that was hired for one specific project, we grow a whole department out of that one, and also started to specialize even more from a general role in the beginning, but now having a dedicated team focusing on user research, another one now taking care of UX writing, or having a separate team taking care of our whole design system. For me, actually, the biggest impact Figma had in the way we were working is bringing all the different roles we had in the development process together and collaborate in real time on the Figma platform, especially having everyone working on the same canvas, putting in comments, prototyping, but also screen designing just together was an enormous leap in the way we've been designing our products. Rapid prototyping accelerated the development process within our teams tremendously. In the end, getting early feedback on business decisions and even incorporate decision makers and stakeholders into the process from the beginning. I mean, we even had senior management and even management board members on the drawing board together with the design team. Was a huge win for the whole team, and actually could have also been seen in success of recent products and services we've launched.